Yo, how you guys doing today? Shelter Frost here. Hey, I got two stocks for you guys. For some long-term potential. Well, I ain't gonna waste too much time. First one I got is Spotify. Right here, I think it's gonna be a pullback. And this looks like a great buy to me. Performances is looking great. I'm gonna get a pullback right here. And this is gonna touch right here at 160. The next one I got, when I was reading this article, they were talking about this Duolingo. And yeah, this looks amazing too on this setup. Excuse my voice, I lose my voice. This here eventually is gonna make its way back up here to highs around 530 or so. Might be filling up the gaps. Performance is looking good. Yup, and the price target is right here at 438. Looks good to me. Perfect setup. Alright, man. You guys have a happy trading, happy investing. I'm going live in the morning. Shelter Frost, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.